This is a song I wrote a little bit ago. It's called Another Working Man's Blues. I figured there had been so many working man's blues, I might as well just make another one. Working, oh, I've been working for some time. Some days it feels like I just want to lay down and die. Well, if it's news to you, yes, it's true. I've been working since the boil of night, getting paid pennies on the dollar to send cattle down the line. Here goes another working man's blues. It's a pretty sought after tune. When you're cussing the heat and the sweats in your eyes, digging holes in the middle of June. Another working man's blues. And please don't get confused, 'cause I ain't complaining, I'm just saying this working man needs a break. When I get off, I'm feeling y'all and me stumbling and staggering round, 'cause I know I won't be home till the work is all done in town. And that's why I like to get high when I do now I'm coming down. And I'm grubbing on meals cheap as talk, playing old timey sounds. Here goes another working man's blues. Feels like my life is set on cruise. It'll wear you down till you're in the ground, 'cause it's all you knew how to do. Another working man's blues, and living is all you lose. So when I kick the bucket, boss man can suck it, 'cause I done paid the dues. Well, the blues of a working man can get real hard. Slap on a couple of years, they make it grit your teeth, blew all the blood, sweat, and tears. Don't remember, boys, when you get paid, keep a little money aside, so your kids don't have to pay for your headstone when you die. And they'll say that's the end of this working man's blues. It's time we lay them low, bow our heads in prayer before we all go. And he at the church is happy that y'all came, but no matter how hard he worked, you still won't remember his name. And that's the story of another working man's